What do you think of when you see Barbie? In all honesty, like what does it make you think of?
It just makes me think that I'm not perfect.
Yeah.
Because they just look perfect and they don't look like anyone else.
The pressure to be thin starts at a very young age. From Barbies to magazines, young people are constantly surrounded by messages. Messages of not being fit enough, skinny enough, pretty enough, good enough. These messages turn into thoughts, and these thoughts turn into actions. And sometimes these actions can go too far, become destructive, and become eating disorders. In the United States, 42% of 1st through 3rd grade girls want to be thinner. 81% of 10-year-olds are afraid of being fat. 91% of college females have tried to control their weight through a diet. And 80% of American women are dissatisfied with their body.
The first time I remember being unsatisfied with my weight was when I was about 8 years old. I started to be able to read magazine covers and see stick-thin Barbie dolls, and realized that my body wasn't like these women I look up to in my everyday life. The part of my life where my eating disorder really started to form was towards the end of my middle school experience. I was developing into a womanly body in a society that told me that being skinny was the only way to be beautiful, happy, and successful. I couldn't really escape the pressure to be thin. At the lowest point in my eating disorder, I was aware of every calorie that I put into my mouth. Food consumed almost all of my thoughts, and I would weigh myself up to 10 times a day. This formed a cycle of binging, starving, excessively exercising, and purging. No matter how hard I tried, I was never really happy with my body. Although not all of us form eating disorders, all of us are affected by the media's standards of beauty. This walk has the potential to be the start of something huge. By registering for this walk, you're putting your foot down and saying, I'm not going to tolerate this anymore. We're all coming together so that our moms, our aunts, our sisters, our cousins, our boyfriend and girlfriends don't have to feel ashamed of the way they look. This walk is a symbol of hope, and it's definitely a goal that we can accomplish in our lifetime. Our generation has to be the change, and when we all come together, anything is possible.